Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader in XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of DXY. And we were waiting for the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, and we were hoping for some crazy volatility. But we did not get, sadly. But yes, there was some drop on the chart of DXY and our level worked perfectly. We were hoping for a retracement around 103 level. Market came to 103 and bounced perfectly. Ultimately, market closed at 103.19. If you look at the news, then you'll see that Powell says the Federal Reserve has made no decision yet on whether to raise interest rates again. So this was a big thing because the upside on dollar, the upside on dollar was seen because market was hoping for interest rate hikes. And when Powell said that there is no decision yet, as a result of it, there was some correction. So on Monday or Tuesday, there is a possibility that DXY will be going down a little bit, or DXY may also show some sideways kind of a market here, because the news that was pushing DXY towards the upside is no longer valid. So market does not have the push right now, so there is a possibility that DXY may show some downside or some sideways market in the coming days. So this is all about DXY, and in case DXY starts falling on Monday, right after the market opening, our level will be 102.62, the next support level on DXY, and ultimate support will be around 102 level, 102.20 to 102.32. So next two support levels are 102.62 and then 102.32 to 102.20. So yesterday we saw that our Fibonacci worked perfectly. So this was the first Fibonacci level. If market breaks this level, we can hope that Fibonacci 38.2 will provide the next support to the market. And then here we have previous support around this area, around 102.32, as well as Fibonacci 50. So these two are the levels that will be working as next support on the chart of DXY if DXY shows a downside on Monday or Tuesday. Now let's talk about the chart of gold. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold in front of us, and after the speech, or during the speech, gold made a high of 1984. Gold made a high of 1984. If you have watched the market, then you saw that after making a high of 1984, there was a sudden drop, and gold came down to 1974. So there was 100 pips difference. But again, gold climbed up, and ultimately gold closed at 1977. This was the last traded price of gold. But here also we are using Fibo here, and because yesterday gold respected the Fibo 23.6% retracement level. Usually in this type of market scenario, the Fibo level does not work, but here, along with Fibo, the previous support also acted as resistance. That's why this level broke. Those who were thinking that Fibo really did the job, it is not only Fibo, it was the previous support that acted as resistance here. So on Monday, listen to me carefully, on Monday, if gold tries to go up, you can look for a buy position above 1986. Above 1986, you can look for a buy position, and your next stop where you can look for sell position is around 1996. Yesterday before news, I gave you a level of 1969, and we saw that 1969 worked perfectly. So on Monday, we can hope that if gold breaks 1986 during the second half, not on the first half, because usually on first half market remains silent, market does not show volatility, so there's a high chance that market will not be able to go up. But during the second half, or during the US session or European session, if market breaks 1986 level and you see the market is going up, you can take a buy position. You can expect a profit of 40 to 50 pips. and you can expect some selling pressure around 1996. Here we are simply using FIBO here, FIBO 38.2. If market struggles around this area, if you see price rejection from above, you can consider a sell position around 1996. And the strongest resistance on the chart of gold is around 2005 to 2010. This is the strongest resistance on the chart of gold right now because of FIBO 50, as well as we have multiple moving averages around this area, and you can see that previous support will also be acting as resistance here. Multiple moving averages, previous support to act as resistance, plus FIBO 50. So if we combine all the factors, 2005 2010 is a very strong resistance support. Very strong sellers will be present around this area. When market will reverse, we can definitely go for a sell position. So these are the selling opportunities for us on the chart of gold if market move up. And if market breaks 1986 during the second half with good amount of buying power volume, you can also consider a buy above 1986. But try to avoid any position during the first half because market usually does not show much volatility. And let's look at chart prime. Okay, this is the chart prime, and these are the signals generated by chart prime. You can see that chart prime generated a sell signal here recently, possible reversal down. Then here we got a possible reversal up, and here's chart prime generated a possible reversal down. It also gave us a bearish engulfing pattern, BRE, as confirmation. But more or less the signal did not work perfectly, but still on 50-minute start 30 to 40 pips is good enough. But rest of the two signals were extremely good. So my dear friends, those who don't know about chart prime is an awesome tool for traders like you, traders like me. It not only generates buy and sell signals on the chart, but there are many things, okay, that makes your trading much easier. You can see that on the chart we have multiple time frame support and resistance so that your time is safe. Then those who prefer to look at divergences, oversold, overbought level, then you also have an oscillator here. You can see here the oscillator marks the overbought, oversold levels and also marks the divergences for you so that you don't need to spend your time on finding out divergences. And obviously they also generate buy and sell signals on the chart. This is their website. You can see that it also does pattern detection, smart money concept, okay, and many other things. If you want to learn about chart prime, you can simply go to their tutorial section on the website. You can also check out the awesome strategies that you can use with the help of the tool. Right now the website is giving a 40% discount. They are giving a 40% discount right now. But if you use the link in the description or the code in the description, CP45, you will get a discount of 45%, which is unbelievable, and only available till 22nd of May, I guess. Okay. And one more thing, if you're facing problem right now, if you are not sure how to use the tool, if you're looking for support, you can simply reach out the team of Chart Prime on Discord. Now let's get back to our chart of gold again. So these are the levels, okay, or these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold if market moves higher. But on the other hand, if gold starts dropping, okay, if gold starts dropping, then we have the next support around 1945. Okay, we have 1945. Why are we using 1945? Because of price rejection around this area. But keep in mind, 1945 is not the strongest support. Okay. If you see that the volatility of the market is normal, then you can consider 1945 to act as the support. But if market comes down with huge volatility, 1945 will not act as support because the market structure has not changed yet. You can see the market structure is still very much bearish. So you can simply expect a minor bounce around 1945 level. But the strongest support we can consider around 1936. 1936 because of price rejection around this, not price rejection, previous support, as well as we have got FIBO 50 around this area. So I'm hoping that if market comes to 1936 level, we will get a good buying opportunity. Let's wait and watch where the market goes, where the market moves, and be careful. Again, I'm saying during the first half of Monday, market usually prefers to stay silent, so please be careful. And the Hindi workshop is over, and only 2 days left for the English workshop. My dear friend, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, if you really like my work, you can consider joining the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. These are the benefits you'll be receiving during the 1 month. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Okay, and as I have already said earlier in many of my videos, that this workshop is not for complete beginners. This workshop has been designed for those people only who are struggling with the market, unable to make money. So if you're a complete beginner, please look for a beginner coach. This is a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And the best part is the price. Okay. You can see here the price is only $15 for 3 days workshop and 1 month support. Dates are mentioned here, the timing is mentioned here. Once you're done with the payment, simply share the screenshot on the WhatsApp number here, or you can also email me. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, follow proper risk management.